So I guess it rained in the hole I was digging then. Hey guys, feel free to stomp around on that dirt all you want. Yeah, there we go. Nice. These guys really get into their work.
No, muddy. Really? You're not even?
Oh, wow. All right, I think that's deep enough. Yeah. Round enough? I think it's round enough. I do not want this flooding with water again, so I was debating between making a little moat around it or a little lip. I'm gonna go with the lip. Oh man, my kids would love doing this. They're not here right now though. Okay, with some luck, this will fit pretty much. We don't have to go this way. Oh, that's good. A little bit this way. All right. A couple drips might get in. That's fine. Well, I guess put a concrete bottom in. Water, rocks and sand, cement. That should be the right amount of cement, more or less, for this. There's one more thing I want. Okay, this here is fiberglass for making a boat, but this is fiberglass for concrete reinforcement. I'm not big on steel reinforcement in concrete. Mainly because that's the failure point in concrete, generally speaking, is the steel rusting, expanding, and cracking the concrete wide open. All right, I don't think I need to measure this. It should go up the sides a little. I'm planning to use this on the walls of the house. So I might as well get a bit of practice. I don't think there's going to be any big surprises. Seems pretty straightforward. I need to stand up between every dump or else my back will get sore after a bit. For small amounts of concrete, I like to use just the bucket dump method. It's pretty easy to clean up. Does a good job. I should have a scoop for measuring the water. It saved me some time of checking and then re-adding and re-adding. Ooh, purple rock. That's cool. All right, let's take that. All right, how do I do this? I guess I just get in. I just want to put a bit of cement or concrete down. Oh, that tickles my feet. Before I put the fiberglass mesh. Oh, that's so, why is that so ticklish? Clay on the mesh. Get out of here. All right, good enough. 3 should do it. All right, one more. Call in a bedroom. Blah, 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 blah. All right, back to the hole. Back to your hole, Jaimie. Oh, good stuff. It's been almost 2 days since I put this in, so it's fairly solid. Some clay bits fell in. Okay, I gotta see if this thing actually fits. Probably should have checked before, but there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Nice. I'm gonna put some garbage bags over the metal. Otherwise, the metal is gonna keep collecting cement on it. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's do some. I don't know what I'm doing. Tried to make sure this was liquidy enough that it would just kind of get itself down in there. Seems to be good. Okay, that was 2 buckets, you know, almost full, about like that high from the top. I got a little bit left. I also took out the big rocks, so, because I didn't want the big rocks to go down there, clog it up so the stuff couldn't get to the bottom. I think I'll put those on top now. Alright, if I do 2 of those every day, maybe I should just do 1 every day. If I do 2 a day, I might damage them. But 1 day is long enough for the concrete to harden sufficiently to not really worry about cracking it or... Yeah, I'll just do 1 every morning. Yeah, I spend, I don't know, 45 minutes on that every morning. And then the rest of the day on every... It's not like I don't have enough other projects going on. Oh, I'm totally gonna come back this afternoon and poke at it to see if it's strong enough to put another piece on. Oh, and I didn't need the outer mold because they did a really good job digging the hole, which is gonna save me time. So I don't have to fill in around the tank now. It just goes right to the edge, so that's nice. I'll need the outer mold when it gets above ground level, obviously. Oh, that hole is so filling with water right now.